Welcome back to FitFocus, the channel where we actually make you sweat, instead of just talking about it. Today we're doing a 20-minute total body burn with dumbbells. And let me tell you, if you think 20 minutes sounds short, your muscles are about to disagree with you in the loudest way possible. Yes, this is the workout that makes you say, why do I even own legs? And what did my arms ever do to deserve this? But hey, we're here for results, not excuses. So grab your dumbbells, grab some water, and prepare for 20 minutes of exercise. Regret that turns into results later. Before we dive in, let's address the question I know someone's thinking. Do I really need dumbbells? Yes, you do. Why? Because your coffee mug and remote control don't count as weight training. Dumbbells are like the Swiss Army knife of fitness. They hit everything. Arms, legs, core, your pride, and maybe even your neighbor if you're not careful. Bodyweight workouts are fine, but eventually you're just pretending to be a gymnast in your living room. Dumbbells add resistance, which equals growth. Growth equals results. Results equal bragging rights. And who doesn't love bragging rights? Now, quick reality check before we start. Hey, this is only 20 minutes, but don't let that fool you. You're going to sweat. You're going to burn. You might even start negotiating with your own body. Come on, legs. Just one more squat. And your legs will be like, absolutely not. We quit. But remember, this is where progress happens. And hey, if you need breaks, take them. Nobody's handing out Olympic medals here. This is just you versus your couch potato tendencies. We're diving straight into a full body workout, which means we're not just isolating one muscle while the rest of your body sits around doing nothing. Nope. Every muscle's on the guest list today. Legs, glutes, chest, arms, back, abs. If it moves, it's working. Think of this as a total body party, except there's no cake. Just sweat and maybe a little bit of cursing under your breath. But hold up, before we actually start lifting, let's talk warm-up. Yeah, I know you want to skip it, but unless you enjoy snapping muscles like rubber bands, take 5 minutes. March in place, do some jumping jacks, loosen up those shoulders, and maybe a few hip circles. Basically, move around enough to convince your body that something terrible is about to happen. Warm-ups increase blood flow, protect your joints, make sure you don't go into that first squat feeling like the Tin Man who forgot his oil. Alright, let's start strong with squats with dumbbells, because nothing screams fun like holding weights while trying not to collapse under your own body. Hold those dumbbells at your shoulders. Squat down like you're about to sit on the world's tiniest invisible chair, and stand back up with attitude. Your thighs are going to burn, but that's the point. You're not here for comfort, you're here for results. And let's be real. Your legs are going to thank you later, probably when you're trying to climb stairs and questioning your life choices. Next up, overhead presses. That's right, take those dumbbells and push them straight up like you're trying to put them on the top shelf. Even though you're short and you know they're never going to fit up there. This move works your shoulders, triceps, and ego. Keep your core tight, push straight up, and try not to drop the weights on your head. If you do, well, maybe wear a helmet next time. Now it's time for bent over rows. Hinge forward slightly, hold your dumbbells down, and row them up toward your ribcage like you're trying to start a stubborn lawnmower. This move lights up your back muscles and biceps. Want that V-shaped back? This is your ticket. More looking like SpongeBob in a tank top. After that, lunges with dumbbells. Yeah, I know. Lunges are basically the exercise equivalent of a tax audit. Nobody wants to do them, but they're necessary if you want strong legs and glutes. Step forward, drop that back knee down, push back up, and try to stay balanced. Pro tip, if you wobble and look like a baby deer learning to walk, that just means your stabilizer muscles are working overtime. So congrats, you're secretly crushing it. Time to torture the core with Russian twists. Sit down, lean back slightly, hold that dumbbell at your chest, and twist side to side like you're checking for imaginary enemies sneaking up on you. This targets your obliques, which is a fancy way of saying the muscles that make your waist look less like a barrel. And yeah, it burns, but that's the good kind of burn. Now deadlifts with dumbbells. Don't panic, you don't need to be a power lifter. Keep your back flat, hinge at the hips, lower the dumbbells down your legs, and then stand back up. This works hamstrings, glutes, and your lower back. Translation: all the muscles that help you walk, sit, and pick things up without groaning like a 90-year-old. Plus, it makes grocery shopping easier because carrying 6 bags in one trip becomes your superpower. Okay, Let's get those arms popping with bicep curls. Classic, simple, effective. Hold your dumbbells, curl them up, lower them slow. Your arms will be on fire, but in the best way. And no, curls alone won't turn you into The Rock, but they will help you stop struggling with those Amazon packages. For the back of your arms, we're doing dumbbell kickbacks. Bend over, tuck your elbows close, extend those dumbbells straight back. This hits the triceps, aka the part of your arm that waves 5 seconds after you do. Train them, and you'll finally stop complaining about arm jiggle. Now, the plank row to finish strong. Get into a plank, dumbbells in your hands, row one arm at a time. Everything works here. Core, shoulders, arms, balance. If you're shaking like a chihuahua at the vet, congratulations, you're doing it right. That's one round. You'll keep moving through all these exercises for 20 minutes, resting only when absolutely necessary. This is called a burn for a reason. If you're not sweating, check your pulse, you might be a robot. But let's slow down for a second and talk about the big picture. Why is a 20-minute dumbbell workout so powerful? Because it's efficient. You're hitting multiple muscles at once, which means more calorie burn, more strength, and more progress in less time. You don't need a fancy gym membership. You don't need machines. You don't even need matching socks. You just need dumbbells and the willpower to survive 20 minutes. And the benefits go way beyond looking good. Talking stronger bones, better posture, improved balance, and way more energy. Plus, your metabolism gets a boost, so you burn calories even when you're binge-watching Netflix later. That's right, lifting weights now means guilt-free snacks later. It's called balance. Now, let's sprinkle in some real talk. Common mistakes to avoid. Number 1, going too heavy too fast. If you pick up dumbbells so heavy that your form looks like interpretive dance, lower the weight. Bad form equals injury, and injury equals sitting on the couch watching everyone else work out. Number 2, skipping warm-up or cool-down. Don't do it unless you enjoy feeling like you got hit by a truck the next day. Number 3, comparing yourself to others. Everyone's fitness journey is different. Your only competition is yesterday's version of you. Speaking of cool-down, when you're done, take 5 minutes to stretch. Trust me, your body will thank you. Stretch out those quads, hamstrings, shoulders, and don't forget your lower back. Breathe, relax, and enjoy that post-workout high where you feel like you can conquer the world, or at least conquer the stairs without crawling. Now, because this is FitFocus, I've got to mention nutrition too. You can't out-train a bad diet. If you work out for 20 minutes and then reward yourself with 3 pizzas and a milkshake, don't be shocked when your six-pack looks more like a keg. Eat balanced meals, get your protein, stay hydrated, and remember, ABS are built in the kitchen just as much as in the gym. Last but not least, mindset. The hardest part of working out isn't the squats or the lunges or even the plank rows. It's starting. Once you're in it, your body adapts, your mind gets stronger, and suddenly 20 minutes doesn't feel impossible anymore. Don't wait for motivation, create discipline. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline is what gets you results. So, to wrap this up, FitFocus fam, that's the 20-minute total body burn with dumbbells. Quick, effective, and just the right amount of painful. Do this 3 to 4 times a week. Eat like you actually care about your health, and watch your body change. It's not magic, it's consistency. And if you're still waiting for the perfect time to start, guess what? It's right now. Grab your dumbbells, stop making excuses, and get it done. Because honestly, 20 minutes isn't that long unless you're planking. Then it feels like a lifetime. But you'll survive, and you'll thank yourself later. And hey, if you enjoyed this workout and want more dumbbell routines, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to FitFocus and drop a comment telling me which exercise made you want to cry the most. My money's on lunges, but prove me wrong. Till next time, keep sweating, keep moving, and keep reminding yourself, the pain is temporary, but the gains are forever.